Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all will be fine and enjoying your vacation. Okay, bete. Today, our online classes has started. So you have to complete your task on time. Today we will start our first lesson of third term, unit number 10, an Aunt Anna Dove. First of all, open your book, page number 94, unit number 10, and write date, that is 5th January 2026, classwork, and day is Monday. Day is Monday. Okay, unit number 10. The chapter name is An Ant and a Dove. An ant and a dove. Have you ever seen an ant and a dove? Do you know about? Yes, that's good. Today we will learn ant and a about the ant and a dove, how they helped each other. How they helped. Have you ever helped with your friends? क्या आपने कभी अपने दोस्तों की मदद की है? ठीक है, आज जो है हम जब इनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे, स्टोरी में पढ़ेंगे एंट एंड डव के बारे में, तो हम देखेंगे कि सिर्फ इंसान ही नहीं बल्कि एनिमल्स भी जो हैं या बर्ड्स भी जो हैं वो भी कैसे एक दूसरे की जो क्या है हेल्प आउट करते हैं. ठीक है, ओके. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. Here is a dove who is sitting on the branch of on a tree, and here is a ant who is joining. डव जो है वो क्या है, कहाँ बैठी है, दरख्त पे, और जो एंट है वो क्या है, डूब रही है पानी में. अब देखना है जो डव है वो इसकी कैसे हेल्प करेगी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टार्ट आवर रीडिंग. An ant and a dove. The pre-reading question is look at the given pictures and guess what the story is all about. Look at these pictures and tell what is the story is all about. It's about an dove is sitting on a tree and an ant who is slipped and fell into a river. And dove is sitting on a tree and watching all this. So we started it on a hot summer day. On a hot summer day. Hot. Uff, hot. Hot mean गर्म. Summer. ठीक है. Summer. Hot mean गर्म. Summer यानी कि जो गर्मियों का day. A thirsty ant. Thirsty. Thirsty mean प्यासी. प्यास लगी हो जिसको, ठीक है ना. जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा प्यास है. Thirsty ant was looking for water to drink. What is this? She was looking for water to drink. ठीक है ना, उसे प्यास लगी थी, वो पानी देख रही थी. She searched. तो बेटे आपने इसी तरह इसको अंडरलाइन करना है और इन वर्ड्स को जो है बार बार प्रोनाउंस करना है. She searched यानी कि तलाश करना, ढूंढना. She searched for water. And finally reached. यानी कि पहुंच गई a river, दरिया पे. She searched for water. उसने पानी की तलाश किया. And finally reached a river. Reached का मीनिंग होता है पहुंचना. Reached का मीनिंग क्या होता है? पहुंचना. आगे she climbed up a stone. Climbed कहते हैं चढ़ना. A stone एक पत्थर पे. To drink water. She slipped and fell into the river. She slipped and fell और गिर गई into the river. A dove was sitting in a tree nearby. She saw the ant falling into the river. She saw the ant falling into the river. The dove quickly plucked a leaf. क्योंकि बेटे वो कहाँ बैठी हुई थी? दरख्त पे बैठी हुई थी ना. शी वॉज सिटिंग ऑन अ ट्री. सो डेफिनेटली देयर आर मैनी लीव्स. सो शी प्लग्ड कहते हैं तोड़ना. शी क्विकली प्लग्ड, तेजी से उसने तोड़ा. अ लीफ, एक पत्ता. द डव क्विकली प्लग्ड अ लीफ एंड ड्रॉप्ड इट नियर द एंट. और उसको एंट के करीब जो है उसने ड्रॉप्ड कर दिया. सो here it is our today's lesson from on to end. दोबारा जो है वो मेरे साथ आप पढ़ें. ठीक है. On a hot summer day, a thirsty ant was looking for water to drink. She searched for water and finally reached a river. She climbed up a stone to drink water. She slipped and fell into the river. A dove was sitting in a tree nearby. She saw the ant falling into the river. The dove quickly plucked a leaf and dropped it near the ant. So, here is our today's lesson. बेटे आप जो है इसको एट लीस्ट 3 टाइम्स जो है वो रीडिंग करेंगे इसकी. ठीक है. एंड डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स जो है आपने अगेन उसकी जो है रीडिंग करनी है. लाइक हॉट, समर, thirsty, surged, reached, climbed, stone, slipped, fell, nearby, quickly, plucked, dropped. So you have to do it reading 3 times at least. So with it we also write some difficult words. First of all, you have to ready your notebook like this. You have to write first of all date, that is 5th January 2026, then classwork, then the day Monday. First of all, write topic unit number 10, an ant and a dove. The subtopic is difficult words. The first word is summer. You also write with me summer. 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 The second word is searched. SEARCHED. The third word is stone. STONE. The fourth word is quickly. 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 The fifth word is thirsty. 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 The sixth word is reached. REACHED. The seventh word is slipped. 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 The eighth word is about. 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 The ninth word is plucked. PLUCKED. So in the last you have to write your name, class and ID. Okay bete, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.